Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. When you see this furniture, y'all should already know where I'm at. I'm at my mother's house. It is 100 something degrees outside, and let me tell you something. It just has been a journey all day. I wanted to vlog from earlier, but I just couldn't. I had too much going on. Tomorrow is the 4th of July, and we're here at my mom's house so that, you know, we could cook, celebrate, enjoy. Roy over there eating. You say hi, boo-boo. Yes, so we're about to eat some food. We just coming in, settling in. I have a whole bunch of stuff, as you can see, over there to put away. And yeah, so just stay tuned, log in. I'm gonna try and give y'all a really good vlog. It's hot now. It's too hot to be holding camera, too hot to be talking, too hot to be hugging, too hot to be doing anything. So, but I'm gonna try and still give you my best. So let me get ready to eat my food. I got a slight headache. I just want to relax and come down and just, you know, relax. And I will see you guys later.
The next day.
Today is the 4th of July. What is it? The 250th year of independence. So they say, right?
Oh, I thought it was 250 years of the fireworks.
No, 250 years of Macy's ain't even been here 250 years. I don't think so. I don't think Macy's been here that long. I'm not too sure. Listen, I only been here 38, so I don't know.
Don't be showing me because I got people showing. So do not be showing me.
She has on a bathing suit, but she doesn't want to be shown, I don't know, from the front. Well, you need to hire. Look at her. I'm not showing you why. Look at you too. Oh, y'all like my bathing suit?
I look like I already got dark.
This is from Old Navy. Oh, I need to tie more up here.
Tie it like a little tighter.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah, going to the pool at my mom's. Huh? I don't know where she's going. Yeah. So let me head out. Oh my God, the sun is heating up here. This is no joke. I need my shades. This is... But happy 4th of July, everybody. The sun is... we were over there. Royalty's over there in the pool. And our stuff is over here. Well, I'm telling you, there's like... honestly, shade nowhere. So just finished frying up some chicken. This is the table with our stuff. And yeah. So as you can see, the sun found us. Oh gosh. Big. Thank you. Okay, so my mother got something for me for Mother's Day. And it took a while for me to get it, but I got it now. So we are like unboxing. Let's see. Okay.
said you have
Oh.
wanted
Oh my God. Ma, thank you so much.
that. You're welcome.
My mama got me a Prada book bag that I've been wanting. Ooh, let me see. Let me look at it.
And I'm like, she
What?
be carrying it every day, I'm sure.
Oh my God. I got a Prada book bag for Mother's Day. Girl.
Yeah. Oh my God, that's so
Yeah. This is cute.
Open it and see the inside.
Oh, and right here. Thank you, Ma. I love you.
That girl love
Let me
gifts.
see. Let me see. Oh, this is, they got a pocket up here. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. I love the nylon. Oh, this is nice, Mom. Oh my gosh.
I wasn't really sure what to get because.
You, Mommy. Where's my... I love it.
Hey y'all.
Hey, how you
Happy
doing?
July too. You
Yes.
want it all over, right?
Yes.
Yes, I'm gonna be using my bag. Thank you, Mommy. Oh, I'm so happy.
I'm not buying nothing else.
Oh, yeah.
It flew by the door.
Oh, shoot.
I was like, they have a cute setup. It's gotta be them.
Thank you. Greg is here.
Tell Greg to open it and look.
Oh, my Mother's Day gift.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi. We're in the water.
With Dad, and we saw a lake or something like that.
It feels so good.
Goo goo gaga. Haha. Daddy, come on. Hey, yo. Can you stop that? Who? Who?
You wasn't even in here when she was spread out.
Yeah?
Just like that. Mm-hmm. We was like,
Yeah?
they was
What? What are you doing?
like this. That's a what in the
Come on,
house?
Daddy. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
The little boy and his mom. And there's only him and his mom.
This is
Yeah, so we're in the pool. I'm soon gonna get out because I want to eat some food.
food is busted.
But
I eat
Royce is
watermelon.
enjoying herself in the water.
Bye.
Bye, Pookie. Got some watermelon. Got some rice. My mother hooks it up. What all melanated people love? Fried chicken. That lady said yes, sir. Okay, Juneteenth continues. I've been free since I've been born. I don't know what y'all talking about. Oh, I can't forget the potato salad. It's cold too, Mommy. Can't forget the salad. You look tired. You tired, Mommy? So go upstairs. You can go upstairs, Mommy. You said no? Or go back in the water. And those are people apartments, right?
One more ice
Mom?
potato salad.
No.
It's melted in a bag.
Okay. Huh? Right there. There's Daddy. Yeah, how does it look inside? In the middle? No. Ma, you gotta wet yourself with water. Huh? Want water? That was so good. Going to see the fireworks. Get Miss Royalty. Okay. Mama Love. Look at husband. So we're outside now. You can literally see the ships. That's the lights on them. And there you go. My mom, Royalty and Greg. Whew. Definitely still warm, I must say. Definitely warm still. But it's not overbearing.
Why am I looking this way? It sounds like it's coming from this way.
I know. Shout out to NYPD. Oh my, this is nice. Right here. You been here? To this restaurant right here? Oh. Yeah. Oh wow, look at the ship, Royalty. Remember this hill? It was so dark, we was like, be careful. You'll go tumbling down the hill. Royalty. It's so pretty. See the ships?
Yes, on the ships. Where you at?
It's over there.
I'm already here. I'm at the water. She can hang out with my granddaughters. This is definitely one for the club. I want to get the boats on it up.
Go.
The next day.
Leaving my mommy's house. It's bittersweet.
How is it better and it's sweet? That doesn't make sense.
How is it bitter and it's sweet? You know, that's how it feels.
Thank you for being loyalty.
Thank you very, very much for being a team player.
Well,
They going home. Praise the Lord.
I'm sad. Come live back with me.
Have you?
Come live back with me.
No.
When grandma come live with us? I don't mean so.
You say that. She don't mean that.
Who, me?
Both of y'all.
Yes.
Go ahead, put the side of your mouth.
Yes, we do.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still.
We know how to take space.
But you know what that is? That's emotions talking. Nobody know how. Sorry, Chuck. That's emotions talking. Emotions is saying yes, no. That's her emotions. She thinks she wants to be.
I'm sad now. Because I gotta leave.
That door right there. Why did you get that door?
You're gonna.
Go down the ramp, royalty.
No, right here, boo boo. Go ahead. Bittersweet.
You know my bag all on a tilt? It's stuff in there.
It's not. Bittersweet. Bittersweet. It's like leaving a resort.
You see something's going on by the water shop?
I know. Where's Gary? Oh. Right there. Come, Bubble. There you go. Do you see? Oh.
What happened now? Oh, please. That's just filthy.
Oh, suitcase first.
Can make predictions on.
Okay, we're heading home now. It was a very fun filled weekend with laughter, good food, good eats, good joking, good TV shows, old times. You have fun, babe?
Mm-hmm.
I enjoy myself. I love family time. I wish everybody could be with us, but I know people got their lives, whatever, right? Royce, did you have a good time? Let me see. You don't let... Yeah, let me see. If you don't smile, this week is not happening. If you don't laugh, this week is not happening. All right, babe, say bye. We love you guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. And also hype this video up because Shawty Boo is back. I've been consistent, y'all. High five. Oh, sorry. I don't want to make husband hit nobody call. All right, love y'all. See you in the next vlog.